Today I'm going to be taking you guys along with me on how to replace the whole headlight assembly on this 2018 Dodge Ram 2500. It's going to be the exact same for 1500, 2500, and 3500. Tools required is your pry tool or a flathead, as well as a 10mm socket with an extension, and your drill or wrench. You want to start off by coming in here and removing these clips. It's going to be a total of 4. After removing that, you're going to come here and identify there's going to be 4 10mm. One right here, another one right here, here, and here. After removing those 4, you want to go ahead and remove your grille to expose your screws for your headlight assembly. It's going to be 2 in the front, 10mm, as well as there are going to be 1 under the wheel well. You want to come in here and remove this flap. That will expose the 10mm right there. Removing that third 10mm, you are going to be using your extension. This is the only time you will be using the extension. Just do a little bit of wiggling and out. Identify our connector. To push in. So you want to go ahead and grab your connection and align it. Hold that click, and then now we're installing the rubber to align this with that. Push, check the alignment, and now we are ready to finish the install. Remember to come in here, put in your third 10mm. There's your flap. Now we're gonna put our grill back, as well as that grill cover. Just like that, we have our new lights installed.